So until now we have discussed the lipids, lipoproteins and as well as hyperlipoproteinemias, both primary and as well as secondary hyperlipoproteinemias. Now because of this particular hyperlipoproteinemias, the individual is landing up in what is called as dyslipidemia. The individual is landing up in what is called dyslipidemia. Now in order to reduce this particular dyslipidemia, we have anti-dyslipidemic drugs, right? In order to reduce this dyslipidemia, we have anti-dyslipidemic drugs. Now these anti-dyslipidemic drugs, these are of two kinds. One, we have the first line anti-dyslipidemic drugs, and then we have the second line anti-dyslipidemic drugs. You take the first line anti-dyslipidemic drugs, they include number 1 statins, and the second one include the bile acid binding resins, right? The second one is bile acid binding resins, and the third, it constitutes intestinal cholesterol absorption inhibitors. Third includes intestinal cholesterol absorption inhibitors. All right. So these are all the first line anti-dyslipidemic drugs. So if you take the second line agents, they include fibrates and the other one is niacin, right? So these two are the second line agents.